the Beko 9kg, 1400 spin, A++++ WM94145W. It's nearly 12 miles and 30. This machine's made in Turkey. So we have cottons. We have to. It has 3 options. Cotton Zico. Duvet.
Make sure you don't set it, because there's nothing inside.
Baby and toddler clothing.
Does it have a lot of features?
It has a max spin of 1400 RPM.
What's the highest max spin that you've seen?
I found 1400, but but sometimes I found 1600. 15.
1400?
Hey, Alex,
What?
are you talking to Yusuf?
Yeah, I'm talking to Yusuf.
What's that experiment? Super short with it takes like 40 minutes.
40 minutes is... Oh, 10 minutes. 10 minutes is really short.
It stinks in here.
Oh, it goes to 1400 RPM?
It's not max spin.
You can go 400.
You can go 1400.
Sports.
14. With 50.
What was it on when you first came? Do you remember?
It was made in Turkey.
How do you know?
Yes, it was Turkish. Turkey was in Europe and Asia.
Yeah. Why are you putting on cold?
Was that 2 minutes?
It must be draining.
Your dad is talking to you. You need it.
20 English.
Do you love that?
Oh, I don't want to see it.
Whoa.
No, I don't want to
You don't love that?
Yeah, don't. I don't.
Oh no, I love that.
Wait, you have the same thing. A milkshake.
What?
The green one with the light.
The
Delicate.
green one with the light?
Yeah.
Is that milkshake?
Yeah, we have that one.
Nice.
Do you see my mohawk?
No, I don't want to see it.
It's cool.
I just saw you have a Nintendo Switch.
No.
Well, someone does.
Dark
No.
hair.
You do have a
You're not
Nintendo
supposed to
Switch.
say that because if you found out,
I'm just kidding. No, I'm
See.
just kidding. I am just kidding.
he's just kidding.
He's not. Yes, I am.
Kidding.
Mixed fabrics.
Yes, I'm just kidding.
No, you're not.
I don't have
That's
it in the Switch. I told you last time I sold it.
No. Say Walla.
No, you know he's not allowed to say well.
No,
Well, that's
no.
not a good word to say.
No, it is.
No, it's not a good word.
It is.
Well, that's not a good word.
It
And
is.
No, you shouldn't
synthetic.
say it.
Yes, it is.
That's not a good word.
It is.
No, it's
And you
not.
can't just tell people to say it just to blur out the
Yeah.
truth.
What does? Do you even know what it means?
What? It's just Walla.
Well, no, it's not a good word to say.
It is.
It's not a good word.
Liar.
Then we have time delay.
Okay, what are you doing?
Doing time delay up to 19 hours, but nothing in. That's all.
You love that.
Stop letting me listen to that.
19 hours.
19 hours? You sure it's hours?
You have to only watch for spinning and
19 hours is a
cancel.
lot.
But mine is 20 hours.
You sure it's hours?
Mine has 20 hours. Delay, 20 hour delay.
Okay.
What does this delay mean?
I don't know.
Oh, thanks. It's filter thing. So.